Welcome to Savor the Southwest. We're looking at a blue Palo Verde, and it's one of the plants that some people can forage and some people cannot. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so we're looking at some Palo Verde beans, the blue Palo Verde that I've pulled off the tree. And what I said is some people can eat them and some people cannot. And that is absolutely true, because beans protect themselves from being eaten by predators by including a compound called lectins. And if you are sensitive to lectins, you can only eat these beans when they're green, kind of like you would eat edamame beans. So you can eat them at the right stage. Now, if you're sensitive to lectins, you can try soak them overnight, then boil them, throw the water away, and then cook them as you would normally cook beans. And this will eliminate many of the lectins. However, if your joints feel sore and achy afterwards, you're sensitive to lectins. However, if you get the runs after eating them, you are sensitive to lectins and you should not eat them. So they're a prolific bean. You can harvest a lot. As you're harvesting, you may see this, holes in the sides of the pods. Those are caused by bruchid beetles, and that's where the beetle left, okay? And don't bother harvesting those. Pretty much the whole bean has been eaten. You can toss them. There's nothing really wrong with them. I mean, if you were starving to death, go ahead and cook up what the beetle left for you. But really you want pods that are intact and the beans inside are full. And you can get a lot of beans very quickly, but only do it if you know you're not sensitive to the lectins. Thanks for watching Savor the Southwest.